Hello everyone and welcome to Be Josh Delight TV. I want to appreciate everyone that watched the last video on how to carry out corrections. I want to thank you for watching it. I want to thank you for the shares, for the likes and for the comments. I say I appreciate everything. I say God bless you. Now this morning briefly I'll be taking a topic titled performance appraisal. Now in my own way I define performance appraisal as appreciating people for achieving a particular result in a task. Appreciating people for achieving success in a particular task. Now I've come to realize that it is difficult for people to say yes, you have done right, yes, this is a job well done to people. But it's easier for them to tell you this is rubbish, what have you done? It's easier for them to scold. It's easier for them to condemn you. It's easier for them to wash you down and say you have done rubbish, you have done nonsense. It is easier for them to notice that which you have done wrong. But then when it comes to you doing something good, they will either ignore it intentionally or act as if it never existed or act as if it does not even matter. But then I say it is wrong. Even Paul told the Philippians church that he was thankful for their partnership in gospel from the first day till now. From the first day till now. That was Paul. Now, if we were to compare Paul, the status of Paul then to nowadays is like a general overseer over many churches. So it does not matter whether you're a leader, it does not matter whether you're a father, it does not matter whether you're a boss. But then it's a great attribute is a good thing to be able to appreciate people for achieving results for you. It is a good thing to be able to say yes, you have done great job, yes, you have done something good for yourself. It is a great thing to praise people for achieving success. It is very good to be able to say yes, I like this thing you have done well. Don't be an embodiment of criticism. Don't be an embodiment of condemnation. That's what I've noticed in people. They feel okay, if you tell them yes, they've done it right, they will misbehave. Don't think like that. Believe that when you tell them they have done it well, they will be motivated to do it better than they have done. You know, when you tell people, yes, I like this thing you have done, you can do better. I've always trusted in you, I've always trusted in your ability, and I know you are going places. It makes them feel worthy. It makes them feel valuable. It makes them feel this extra energy that, yes, they want to do more. Unlike you just washing what they have done away, all in the name of you don't want them to feel special. Let them feel special. They're not human beings like you. Let them feel special. Even Jesus told that centurion man when he came asking for healing on behalf of his servant, and he told Jesus, don't worry, just say whatever you want to say here, you will be healed at home. Jesus said, not even in Israel have I seen such a faith. That's appraisal. So if Jesus can recommend can recognize his level of faith, then I don't see any reason why you as a boss, why you as a leader, or why you as a friend, why you as a father, as a mother, not recognize the good results people have achieved around you. Learn to appreciate people for the result they have gotten. Let me tell you, when you appreciate people, it compels them positively to achieve the impossibles and the unthinkables. And mind you, performance appraisal does not reduce your standard, it does not reduce your class. It only makes you a better person. It makes you a good friend, it makes you a great leader, it makes you a good mother and father, it makes a lovely husband and a lovely wife. Make it a point of duty today that every time people achieve success around you, no matter how little it is, appreciate them, tell them it's a job well done. Thank you and see you some other time. God bless you.